Hi everyone, I'm Ravikant Sharma. In this video, we will learn about the colors in CSS. In this video, we will learn how to apply the colors and where to apply the colors. In CSS, we can apply the colors in three properties of any HTML element. That element can be a heading, a paragraph, a body tag, and any type of element that is present inside the HTML document. So the three properties are color, background color, and the border. Let us jump into VS Code to understand these properties practically. So we are in the VS Code. Here we have to create new file that is index.html and the another one is style.css. Style.css for external style sheet. In this video we are using the external style sheet. Now open the index file, then click exclamation mark, then hit enter. Here you can see VS Code automatically imported the basic document structure. Now let's create a heading and a paragraph to demonstrate the color properties in CSS. Just enter H1, then hit enter. Then generate the random words by lorem, then hit enter. Okay, 10 words are generated by lorem. Then use a paragraph. Now here we have a paragraph and a heading. Now let's try to add the style in CSS on these two tags, that is H1 and P. Now we have to apply the style in this external style sheet. Okay, for this we have to link this style.css file with the index.css. Now we have to link this style.css file with index.html. For this we have to use the link, then hit enter. Link is related to style sheet. Link is related to style sheet and href is style.css. Now our HTML file is linked with the style.css file. You can check this out by pressing Ctrl and hover over it. Then you will visit to the style.css file. Okay, now let's open the style.css in another tab. Click on it and close that. Now we have to choose the H1 tab. So H1, then hit enter. So here, this is the element selector. If you don't know about the selector, you can check out the previous video in which we have talked about the selectors in CSS. Okay, now this is H1. Now we have to apply the three properties, that is color, background color, and the border. So just type color, then hit enter. Here color means the text color. So let's say we want the text color to be black. Okay, then background color, BGCOLOR, then hit enter. Okay, let's say the background color would be yellow. And the third property is border. The border is 2 pixel solid green, then hit enter. So these are the three properties where we can apply the colors in CSS. Now let's see the result in browser. Just right click, open with live server. Here you can see the H1 heading have a background color that is yellow and a border of 2 pixel that is green in color, and the text color is black. So these are the three properties that we have applied on H1. Now let's try to apply the properties on the paragraph tag. So just type paragraph, then hit enter. Okay, so let's try to use the color. Now let's try to use the hexadecimal values and RGB values. Firstly, let's try to use the RGB value, RGB, then hit enter. Here we have to mention the red, green and blue color intensity, that is from 0 to 255. In the previous video we have talked about how to use these colors, hexadecimal, RGB, HSL color values. If you want to learn about that, you can check out that video also. Now we have to type the intensity of red color, green color and blue color. Let's say intensity of red color would be 255, that is maximum, and green would be 0 and blue will be 0. Now in this way the color of the paragraph would be red because the red is set to highest intensity and green and blue set to its lowest, means 0 intensity. Okay, so this is the RGB color values. Now we have to apply the background color of the paragraph. We can type the background color or just type BG, then here background. You can type background also. Now we have to type the color name. So let's try to use the hexadecimal value. So just type hash. Now we have to use a black color. Black color is represented by 0000000. In hexadecimal color value, we have 6 digits, in which starting 2 digit represent the red color, In between the two digits represent the green color and last two digits represent the blue color. Now all the digits set to 0 means the black color. If I set all the digits to full opacity to FFF, so this is a white color because all the red, green and blue colors are on its full intensity. Okay, in hexadecimal value, the intensity of color lie between 0 to F. Now let's try to add the border to the paragraph. So type border and hit enter. Let's say 5 pixel border, solid. We can use any type of property. It can be solid, dotted or any type. I am using the solid. Okay, then we have to use the color of the border. Let's say border color will be green. Let's see the result in the browser. Here you can see the paragraph tag has a background color which is black and text color which is red and the border of 5 pixels that is green in color. You will observe the heading have a border of 2 pixels that is small in size, but in the paragraph the border is 5 pixels that is larger in size, and both have different color values. Now let's try to change the background color of whole the web page. To change the background color of whole the web page, we have to apply the style on body tag. So type body, then curly braces, then hit enter. Then we have to type background color. Now let's observe the result. Here you can see the whole web page background color is changed. So these are the 3 properties where we can apply the colors on any HTML element. I hope you are able to understand the color properties in CSS. Okay friends, this is it for now. I will catch you up in the next one. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.